Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and fit at your home. So children, in today's video I am going to give you information about our national festival called Gandhi Jayanti, which falls on 2nd October every year. Children, Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated every year on the 2nd October in the all over the India. It is the birth anniversary of our father of nation. Do you know who is our father of nation? Mahatma Gandhi. The full name of Mahatma Gandhi is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi and popularly known as महात्मा गांधी और बापू. हम लोग उनको प्यार से क्या बुलाते हैं? बापू. Children, Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 as he was the preacher of the non-violence. वो अहिंसा के पुजारी थे. Hence, his birth anniversary, that is 2nd October, is celebrated at the day of non-violence. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated in every year to pay the tribute and remembrance his great work for the India's independence. So, Gandhi Jayanti is a national holiday in India as a mark of respect Gandhiji's work, and sale of alcohol is prohibited on this day. Means 2nd October is also as a dry day.
Kids, Mahatma Gandhi's contribution in bringing peace in the world is the remarkable. His teaching can be implemented even today to avoid violence and the conflicts in the world. So children, Gandhi Jayanti celebrated at the Rajghat, New Delhi with a lots of preparations. Prayer meetings are held at the memorial of the Mahatma Gandhi. Prime Minister and President of India are present here during the prayer. Mahatma Gandhi's favorite devotional song, Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram, is sung in his memory. And various competitions are organized in the school all over the country on the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti. Songs based on the truth and non-violence are sung by students, and some students dress up like Gandhiji on this day. So children, this way you will celebrate Gandhi Jayanti. Now it's time to our activity. So children, for today's activity we are going to make charkha for Gandhiji. For this you need one cardboard, or you can also use ice cream sticks. So here I am using the cardboard. So you have to make sticks like this and cut it with the help of scissors. Children, for cutting you can take help of your parents. Okay, this way you will make 6 sticks. Now you measure the length and on the mid part make the point. This way you will make 3 points in each strips. Okay, इस तरह से आपको 3 points सारी strips में रख लेने हैं and hole on the point. और उन points में आप लोग क्या कर लेंगे? Hole कर लेंगे. This way, as I am doing. Children, after this, it will look like this. Okay, children. Now take one strip and one white paper and apply the Fevicol and paste the white paper on the whole stick like this. Make sure that the hole that you have made on the stick should be appear. Okay, and roll the stick on the white paper like this by applying the Fevicol and cut the extra white paper. Okay children, so this way you have to make all sticks like this. After this children, make 3 equal parts of the stick with the help of scale and pencil, and you have to color it with the tricolor of our national flag, Tiranga. First you will do saffron or orange color, then green color on the bottom. This way you have to make the all sticks. Now we are going to assemble all these sticks like this. For assembling children, you can use a blank refill. जैसे हमारे यहाँ पेन की खाली रिफिल होती है ना, आप उसमें भी स्टिक्स को इस तरह से assemble कर सकते हैं. Okay, this way. Now on the end parts hole where you have made on the stick, you have also stick the stick or a blank refill like this. इस तरह से आप इनको join कर देंगे. चिल्ड्रन, इस तरह से आपको इन सारी स्टिक्स में एंड पार्ट में एक पतली सी स्टिक को इंसर्ट करना है लाइक दिस. Okay, now children, We will make some other parts of the charkha. For this, we are using cardboard of the shape like this, and you have to paste one on another like this to make the lower part of the charkha, and cover the all part with the white paper again and paste it with each other. After applying white paper, all the sticks look like this. Children, now we are assembling the all parts of the charkha one by one. First, we will use a big part or a big rectangle. Now we are going to join all these rectangle with the help of small rectangle. आपको इन बड़े वाले रेक्टेंगल को स्मॉल रेक्टेंगल की हेल्प से ज्वाइन करना है. ओके, इससे हम चरखे का बेस बनाएंगे. नाउ अप्लाई द फेविकोल on the small rectangle and paste it on the big rectangle on the both side. ओके, इस तरह से आपको दो छोटे रेक्टेंगल्स को बड़े रेक्टेंगल के दोनों साइड में पेस्ट करना है. और अब इनके ऊपर हम दूसरा वाला बड़ा वाला रेक्टेंगल इस तरह से पेस्ट कर लेंगे. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, आवर बेस इज रेडी. टेक 2 more strips as we have made. Now insert with the चरखा. इस तरह से आपको इसको चरखे के मिड पार्ट वाली रिफिल में इसको ऐड करना है और इन दोनों पार्ट को हम लोअर पार्ट में ऐड कर देंगे. See children? Yes, this way you have to fix it with the lower part. Children, now take another thin stick. हम लोग एक और thin stick लेंगे और हम इस तरह से दूसरे पार्ट्स को चरखे के लोअर पार्ट में ऐड कर देंगे. Like this you have to paste. Okay. Now children, we will take one thin thread. अब इस तरह से हमको एक सिंगल थ्रेड लेकर चरखे पर रोल कर देना है. रोल ऑन दिस एंड tie with the other part. Okay. Now children, our charkha is ready. So this way you all have to make the charkha to gifting of the गांधी जी. इस तरह हम लोग गांधी जी के लिए गिफ्ट बनाएंगे बिकॉज आज उनकी बर्थ एनिवर्सरी है ना. यस चिल्ड्रन. So this is our today's activity. Now do it well children. Okay. And happy Gandhi Jayanti.
के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल।
रघुपति राघव राजा राम।
शतरंज बिछा कर यहाँ बैठा था जमाना, लगता था कि मुश्किल है फिरंगी को हराना। टक्कर थी बड़ी जोर की, दुश्मन भी था ताना, पर तू भी था बापू बड़ा उस्ताद पुराना। मारा वो कस के दाव की उल्टी सभी की चाल।
साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल।
दे दी हमें आजादी बिना खड़ग बिना ढाल। साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल।
रघुपति राघव राजा राम।
जब जब तेरा भी गुल मजा जवान चल पड़े, मजदूर चल पड़े थे और किसान चल पड़े। हिंदू व मुसलमान सिख पठान चल पड़े, कदमों पे तेरे कोटि कोटि प्राण चल पड़े। फूलों की सेज छोड़ के दौड़े जवाहरलाल।
साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल।
दे दी हमें आजादी बिना खड़ग बिना ढाल। साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल।